Hey everyone, in this video I will show you how to use at mentions in Microsoft Teams. First, go to your Teams, then choose the Teams where you want to mention someone. You can click on reply, then on your keyboard press on Shift, then number 2, so you have the at, and in here it will show you all the people you can mention. Just click on one and it will show you their name on a blue color. That means that they are mentioned. You can also start a post. You can click on Shift 2 again. Then just click on the person you want to mention and you'll see that their name will be posted. And it's just like that. You can now mention someone in Teams. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon.